What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. And now let's get right into it with Apple, which is up again 0.70%. Now if you look at my screen, Apple once again, guys, and this is not looking good. Even though Apple is looking bullish, we do have a full bull trend on Apple stock. We also have all these moving averages here on Apple stock positively sloping to the upside, and this is a full bull trend on Apple stock. But look at this. Yesterday we saw a massive rejection, and today we got a doji indecision candle, even though we're up 0.70% on the day. And intraday it's holding the support, the breakout 157. So what's it gonna be? Because Apple stock, this inverse head and shoulder right here plays out, we could see a move on Apple all the way up to 175 to 176, and that could be coming. We got that inverse head and shoulder playing out on Nvidia on that weekly chart, went all the way up to 258, and forget about 258. Now it's trading at what, 270, 275. So this could be the next Nvidia 2.0 Apple stock, guys. It's not breaking the support since the breakout 157, and it's holding. So it's looking extremely bullish with this bull trend right now. Unless something changes, we know that this market can do anything. Today, a breakout, and tomorrow, a new 52-week low. But this is Apple stock, so considering how strong this trend is, I mean, look at this. And who would buy this dip at 157? Yes, you can day trade, make maybe 20-30%. But I'm not buying this dip. Are you guys buying dip here on Apple stock at 157? I don't think so. A lot of people are not even getting in here on Apple stock. We got low volume also. So who's buying? It's all manipulation in the market. I mean, this is not no dip on Apple stock at 157. I can see if this stock gets down to 146.71, that would be a dip to possibly go in here on Apple stock to swing trade. But as of right now, this is not at a buy zone. I do not care if this stock gets up to 176. This inverse head and shoulder plays out. I'm not going to chase Apple at this level just because there is the upside on Apple stock because of this inverse head and shoulder. Now going into tomorrow, guys, we got this bearish looking candle and we got a doji today. So tomorrow 157 is going to be a key level, and so far last 2-3 days since the breakout is holding. 157 breaks, we could be coming down to 155, and now we have a lot of support. 154, 152, 150, and then 148 before coming down to 146.71 to close this gap all the way down here. 160 breaks. Now upper Bollinger Band will allow Apple stock to move higher all the way up to 162 and then possibly 165. And now we're going to look at Tesla. And I see a lot of you guys are making good money shorting Tesla exactly here close to 200, and it's working out. But if this thing breaks 200, you shouldn't be buying puts, or at least not holding them above 200. Tesla breaks 200, it's going to move higher. It's going to join the party with Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft. We are going to see another push here on Tesla stock all the way up to 210. So watch this level 200. It's a big level, and above that, that's going to be a massive breakout. Also, Tesla holding, look at this, 188 exactly. And I said it last night in my video that watch out for this white line 20 SMA, and we held that support today, and it's up 0.56% on the day. It was up even more. I mean, Tesla ran almost up to 200 today. So tomorrow, key level to watch, 188, 189, white line 20 SMA, and below that, watch out for this gap, 186.44. To the upside, all we need to do break 200 and then Tesla heading higher all the way up to 210. And now we're going to look at Amazon. On Amazon stock, absolutely flat on the day, and once again Amazon holding 97 as a support, red line 50 SMA. And if you look at my screen, upper Bollinger Band actually not allowing Amazon stock to rally higher because it's sitting at 101, and that's where we got rejected. Came down, retested the support down here at 97, and now trading exactly where we left off last night, 98.71. So going into tomorrow, key level to watch down here at 97, aligned with this red line 50 SMA, and below that watch out for white line 20 SMA at 95.16. To the upside, Amazon can break 100, and that holds as a support. We're going to see another leg up all the way up to 104. And now we're going to look at Google. So Google stock finally, and I've been saying it, that Google stock, guys, I mean, look at this. I called out this bullish falling wedge, and look at what happened. This thing just took off. I mean, insane move within just 2 weeks. It was down here at 90, and now it's trading almost close to 108, which is going to be a big resistance to break on Google stock. So watch out. This could form a double top, or we see a breakout above that. And Google, I've been talking about it, guys, that Amazon, Google, these two stocks right here, not performing. And that means one thing. We could see that performance on Google stock and Amazon. And if that happens, we're going to see a massive rally. And so far, this is actually a big rally on Google stock, and there might be more to come. Now, Google stock, if you look at my screen, we blasted through this resistance right here, 105, and now it's holding. So if that holds tomorrow, we could see a move all the way up to 108 to 109, and that's where we got to make some decision. You know, if you're in here on Google stock, day trading, swing trading, you should be locking in profit right here, because if this thing gets rejected, we could be coming all the way back down to 105 and then 100. And now we're going to look at Meta. So unstoppable Meta again up 2.24% on the day, and now sitting at 204.28 at the closing. A massive day once again. And if you look at it, I mean, this is how it works. We got a full bull trend, just like Apple stock. We have all these moving averages right here on this daily chart, positively sloping to the upside. It does not matter how many gaps we have. We also have a massive gap on top, guys, right here. And a lot of people are looking at that like, yeah, there's more upside. So who knows what's going to happen? I don't think Meta, now that it's trading above 200, it's gonna be tough to come all the way down to 143 unless, you know, the market actually crashes, you know, in next couple of months. Then we could see, you know, a big sell-off here on Meta, and all these gaps even down here will get closed. And I'm waiting. If that happens, you know, I need to buy some shares of Meta. You know, I sold all my shares and now just waiting with cash. So on Meta, if you look at my screen, upper Bollinger Band moving up, allowing the stock to move higher. So it's sitting at 208 almost. So definitely tomorrow we could see 210 on Meta. Now downside support, if you look at it, it's not even coming down to 200. Blue line 5 SMA. So it's actually disconnected from this blue line 5 SMA. We could see a retracement, and that's going to be a dip buy. Anything close to 200 to 197. Well, when I say dip buy, it does not mean that you dip buy and hold it long term. That is just short term, like tomorrow. If there is a dip, if you're day trading, you know, that could be something to look at right here at this level. Now below 200, watch out for 197 and then 193, orange line, 13 SMA. As of right now, above 200, Meta can touch 210. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. So Microsoft, it's not looking good, especially if you look at these candles, guys. Yesterday, we got a bearish looking candle, and today we got a doji indecision candle, and this thing is up 1.97%, still up on the day, a lot, $5.37. So Microsoft, what's going to happen now that we are trading above 274? So that's going to be key level to watch. And even today, if you look at my screen, we rallied all the way up to 281, getting rejected at 280. So 280 breaks, we're going to see 284 to 285 to fill the gap all the way on top. Now below 274, we could see a flush all the way down to 266, and then all the way down here at 260, aligned with this white line, 20 SMA. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. Thank you so much for watching.